Video gaming. I get my Dr. Pepper. It's important. Okay. Victor Belmont. Does the chat even show up on the BRB scene? Oh, let's check this out here. It doesn't. It doesn't
Gaming.
show up on the thing either. I just never put the chat on the thing. I guess I did.
I have good news for you.
What's good news for me?
Your stream is currently #1 trending with the hashtag 765467823. It's hyperlinked in the title.
That's good. I'm glad. I'm glad it does that.
This is gonna be the Steam screenshot, just this view right here.
Yeah. Even when
least unfinished early access game on Steam.
Even when I finally like replace this character model with something more complete.
This needs to be a costume.
It's gonna be this. This is gonna be the screenshot.
This has to be a costume. Or something. A
Maybe.
cheat code.
I'll think about it.
It's a red brick. You have to find it.
I'll think about it.
You have to beat the game with Jar Jar, and then you unlock this character.
You have to beat the game with a hammer.
A Guitar Hero controller. The game knows if you're using one.
I could probably find some way to try and detect that. It wouldn't be easy because
With
there's
Steam
a lot of different.
it's so annoying.
There's a lot of different ways people could be hooking it up.
Last time I tried playing Guitar Hero, I remember I was in a call with some people, and I plugged in my Guitar Hero controller, and Steam Input decided, oh, hey, a whammy bar. Let's make that control as a mouse. So, like, my mouse was flying all over the screen. Everything was wrong. I had to unplug the controller. It's awful. I had to turn off the extended Xbox Blonzo in Steam Input, which is great, because I have to, like, reload everything if I turn that back on.
That's
And
pretty
certain
good.
games need that for Xbox controllers.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Love Steam.
Here's my controller. I was last using it for my Nintendo Switch.
I need to find... You said DualShock 4 works with a Switch, like, natively?
No. But there's like adapters you can get.
Because my Joy-Cons... My newer Joy-Cons had a bit of an incident. They, as the British say, they had a fall. They've had a fall. So...
Not great.
My other Joy-Cons are the ones that came with my Switch 5 years ago. Actually, 6, right? No, 5.
Hey.
I think it's kind of it's I think it is 6 years since the Switch launched.
So
actually.
they're very beat up. They're not like drifting, but the sticks are kind of, they don't have the same energy they used to. Not the same springiness.
Okay, I'm gonna show the stream. The gaming.
Yeah. Oh,
8-bit Do has a wireless adapter.
I refuse to not say 8-bit dough.
Yeah, they got 2 wireless adapters actually. The first one was made for PS4, Xbox One, Wii U Pro Controller, Wii Remote.
But I need gyro, because I don't want to play Tears of the Breath of the Kingdom of the Wild of the game of the thing of the Zelda 2. I don't want to play Zelda 2 without gyro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely need gyro for that when you get to places like the Fifth Palace.
I've
and the
heard
Graveyard.
friends be like, "Man, this game, like, I'm having a hard time with this game," and I'll go watch their stream, and they're playing it without gyro on. I'm like, "There's your problem. Like, that's literally exactly what's wrong with you. Like, that game is so easy, and the only way to make it hard is to play without gyro."
True. Anyway, so I got slashes. They're in the game. I'm
This
getting a
looks
spam
rad.
call.
Yo, this is about your warranty?
I don't know. I don't
We're
care.
calling about the extended warranty on your Godot license.
Both
I-
iterations.
Almost
1 and
all the
2.
spam calls that actually get through to me now, they're always like, "Oh, you're Comcast." I'm like, I don't have Comcast.
I love that. You ever call a wrong number about like trying to like you're like calling a store, but you called someone and they're like, "This is not a store."
I haven't done that.
Then I feel like the spam caller.
Yeah, I got the slashes. There's some weirdness with the trail doing a thing sometimes.
I'm not seeing it happen.
It'll like be on the wrong thing for like a frame sometimes.
The
I don't know how well it's gonna show up on stream.
Feature.
But it is noticeable in real-time gameplay, which is that's where it matters. Anyway,
My pareidolia makes me think that this screen is a skull. I keep seeing a skull.
well, it's not.
The skull room.
You see what I mean, though.
I get it, but you're wrong. Anyway,
It's scary.
I'm doing stepped animations for the character now. They're not fully correct yet because
I think it looks rad.
because here's the problem. So we go in the animation player here, and I go to like the running animation set thing. That's wrong. I actually have the animations are all at double speed technically. Because of the funny way that the keyframes get like compressed when exported or imported. I'm not sure which exactly. But by setting the frame rate to 30 FPS in Blender, that problem is less of a problem.
Weird.
And so it's a really easy fix to just be like, oh, just play all the animations at double speed. Whatever. Anyway, Godot imports every animation track with linear interpolation, and there's no built-in way to just be like, hey, can you just set all of these tracks to nearest?
No.
So you see there's a lot of tracks here.
Oh.
So, and I have to do that for every animation. And keep in mind, this list of animations, this is just what I currently have. It's still missing some obvious stuff.
How's
like,
no one done like a script for that or something yet?
I think they have, but I'm pretty sure it's Godot 3, not Godot 4, so I'd have to figure that out.
Just post on Reddit, make someone else do it for you.
I'll work it out later.
That's the best way to outsource work.
Yeah, there's some things I'm gonna have to do more advanced techniques for, like the running slash, because I need the running, but I also need the slash, and like keeping the timing with that is weird. It's easy with the shoot because I can just be like, oh, he's just holding the gun, whatever. Doesn't have to look amazing, but I want the actual arm swing, even if it's only 2 frames, to be visible in the running. And that's a challenge. I could just do what I did with the sprites and just have the running animation split up into 3 different animations, one for just running, one for the first frame of the swing, and then one for the second frame of the swing. It's a little silly, but it would work. Yeah.
What you're crunching?
Crunching on ice.
This stream was sponsored by Ice.
Ice, baby.
I was ready to say it for whatever you were gonna say, but I wasn't ready for Ice. This stream was sponsored by water. Now new in solid flavor. check Stream VC text real quick. They got book now. Book.
They got
Book.
they
I
got
love
Zelda book.
Why? Why is it saying book in English?
Oh, it does.
Book. So weird. Book.
That's funny.
It also says Legend of Zelda: Tears of the Kingdom.
Yeah, Legend of Zelda 2 of the Kingdom.
Well, yeah, that's
book.
that's like the logo though. It's like the logo has the English subtitle on it.
Yeah, it's
That's-
Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom, Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. That's what the game is called. in Japanese. We only get one title in English.
It's like the Cowboy Bebop has the thing.
Cowboy Beat Bop.
It has the Cowboy Bebop on the thing. And it
When is
also
that game
says-
coming out? Friday?
Yeah, Zelda comes
yeah.
out Friday.
Like Thursday night into Friday?
Can't believe you got the Planet Earth to sponsor your. My what?
Huh?
I'm reading chat.
Where? Oh, Twitch?
Yeah, it's Twitch chat.
When I clicked on watch stream through Discord, it defaulted to YouTube.
That's interesting. It usually defaults to Twitch.
I know, it's weird. Like, I don't know why I did that. I have to keep both of them open so I can make sure no one says anything nasty in chat. I'm
Yeah.
watching.
Yeah.
How in the world is it telling you you're live on YouTube? What the?
Well, I have
just
my
said
YouTube.
live.
I have my YouTube account linked to my Discord, so that would be.
I've
part of
never
it.
seen Discord do that.
Well, yeah, but like it doesn't mean it's not possible.
In the past 7 years, I've never seen Discord do that.
Well, yeah, because Discord's stupid. Anyway, I think what I'm gonna do today is I'm going to implement shooting, because right now, character just pretends to shoot. Like that one? Like this?
Yeah.
Funny turbo button.
Oh. Don't use auto fire. I'll know.
If you use auto fire, I'll be happy for you.
Don't use auto fire, Snake. I'll... I don't know.
Anyway,
I'll leak your IP address.
we're gonna make a new scene. We're gonna make a new... I need to move my mic so I can type words and code programming. Programming code.
Pro code gramming.
Programming.
That's the next stream title. Pro code
We're gonna
gramming.
make an area 3D. We're gonna call it projectile. I'm gonna add a child node, and it's gonna be collision. That's not how you spell collision. Collision shape 3D. I'm gonna make it a sphere. And yeah. Then I'm gonna add a mesh instance 3D. And I should open up Blender. Blender likes to do this thing where if you unmaximize the window, it just stays at the maximized resolution, so you have to resize it yourself, which is really cool and funny. I like that a lot. You know what? This is probably already in here as a thing, but I'm gonna just export it as an obj.
Obj.
You know what I said.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's a bullet. And it's got like a trail tail thing because I think it'll look good. Needs to be rotated like that. And yeah. I'm gonna save this in my objects folder, projectiles, and I'm going to add, I'm gonna attach a script.
There's a trick to making like a sideways fireball like this.
Yeah, well, I don't care. Owned.
No, it's a really good trick. I think you'd
Well,
appreciate it.
well,
For chat too. Chat'll,
You just can't
chat'll
tell.
appreciate-
It
chat'll
is
appreciate
Wednesday.
this
You know,
insight.
yesterday was Tuesday. Maybe Thursday.
Hey, no.
You can't
So-
just say that.
I
Pro
just
tip.
did. I
Pro
just
tip.
did, John. What are you gonna do about it, huh? Huh?
Here's the
Nothing.
thing. Pro tip: if anyone wants to make a sideways fireball like this, you make a vertical fireball and rotate it 90 degrees.
For anyone wondering what that was was me punching my microphone.
Ow! I'm your microphone now.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do something basic here.
Holy.
We're gonna go
Is this
add a
no, never
time
mind.
variable. And then we're gonna say we'll also add a speed variable. And we'll do probably we'll do 4.0. Let's see what that does. And we're gonna go time plus equals delta, and then position dot x plus equals position. Oh no, not that. Speed times delta.
He's my favorite.
And then if time is greater than 5 seconds, cue free. And that gets rid of the object. So now I have a fire shot function that doesn't actually fire a shot right now, but it will in just a moment. We're gonna add we're gonna do basic shot, and that's gonna be preload res colon slash slash. Wait, I need to put it in that objects slash projectiles and pellet. No,
No.
projectile. That's what I call it. Why'd I do this? This is stupid. Anyway, we're just gonna do that, and then we're gonna do in the fire shot function. We're gonna say we're gonna declare a new variable. be called shot. It's going to be basic shot dot instantiate. And then we're going to say get parent.
If only it was that easy.
Dot add child.
If
Shot.
only. Oh.
And actually, first we need to tell it what position it's at. Shot dot position. Shot dot position equals self dot position. Probably plus vector to. Actually, wait, no. Plus shoot pose. See, I already planned for this. I'm smart. I'm very smart. I'm the smartest person in the entire world. You better learn something. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see how badly I messed this up. A little weird. I think I didn't adjust the position for the air state. Oops. Anyway, well, it is the correct position, more or less. But it's a bit large for the basic shot. So let's fix that. I'm gonna say scale 0.5. Let's see how that looks. That's better. That's about what I would want. Now let's bump that speed up. Let's do 8.
8.
The question is how easily can I follow them? The running position is wrong. Okay, let's do 12. That's better. Maybe 16. Let's see how that goes. I think 14. I think 14 is the right speed for this.
Yeah.
See, that's good. You can kind of keep up with shots, sort of, when dashing, but not a whole lot. Let's just really quickly...
Are they gonna go through walls or no?
That's a good question.
That's a really good question. Maybe that could be reserved for something, but not all the time.
Yeah, I think that could be a neat upgrade. There we go. Now you can see more effectively how it goes when running. And I need to correct the shoot pose for when the character's facing left. We'll do shot pose real. It's a vector 3. If facing left, shot dot speed is multiplied by -1. And shot pose reel. Actually, we'll just do that, and then shot pose reel dot x is also multiplied by -1. It almost works. I need to turn the model around as well. But I'll deal with that later, because first we have bullet. So that's a start. But what about cool looking bullet? That's also important. What kind of shader am I going to use to make this thing look neat? And the answer is a very basic one. We're gonna go in here. Material override. New shader material. New shader. I'm gonna put it in the shaders spatial. Plasma shot. We're gonna do uniform bright color. You know, it's uniform vec4 bright color. Source color. And you need a semicolon at the end because this stupid idiot can't figure out what the end of a line is on its own. You have to tell it. Oh yeah, I also want to do a render mode, unshaded. No shading on this. I refuse. And, yeah. I don't know exactly how I'm going to, do this. So I haven't done any like UV mapping on the thing, so I can't rely on that. Maybe it would be better to just do a texture. I probably would, honestly. Maybe better just do a texture. But I don't wanna. So I don't know. Let's just leave it like this for now. All right, this is now the playing around with shaders stream. Let's check it out. Here's a fun trick. Now you can see how poorly done this UV map is because I haven't touched it. It almost looks kind of okay. You know, if you messed around with it. Why is that one so much louder? Why is this song so much louder? I don't get it. All music should be at the same volume. That's how that should work. And, yeah. Maybe I should... Let's just go ahead and UV map this thing. I'm gonna hate myself if I don't. Alright, y'all ready for UV mapping? See, this is... The great thing here is that this is actually going to be really easy. Because... Yeah. Oh, I never... That's funny. I never, like... made this not mirror zone. Okay. So... Wow. Incredible. Now let's be smart about this and go back to when it was still mirror mode. So, unwrap, this is what we get. And it's stupid. We smart UV project, this is what we get, and it's also stupid. So the problem with UV mapping is that you always have to deal with this problem. Unless you just want to have really inefficient use of the square texture space, which is fine. You know, maybe you're making a movie instead of a video game. That's fine. You know. I'm not going to complain about it right now. First things first, I'm going to set around to pixels corner. We're going to do... Let's just move all this onto the line. Looks kind of stupid right now, but that's okay. Everything starts off looking kind of stupid when you think about it. Your goal is to morph it until it stops looking really stupid and only looks somewhat stupid. And that's how you do stuff. They make good designs and all that. I probably should just make this square. That. And it's a bit silly when you think about it, but you know what? That's just how I do things. Now, oh, look at that. Now we got a much better system to work with here. So, if I were to say comment these out and then do albedo equals actually first I should do float blend equals uv.x over uv.y. I don't know if this is good or not. We'll find out. Secret here is that I don't know what I'm doing. So, it's just kind of, it's a learning experience. I don't know how anything in 3D works. Something like that.
Ooh, that's glowing.
It is glowing. I'm just doing random stuff with shaders. We're checking it out, seeing what's up. We're gonna see what's up and what's not up. Mills just got really annoyed with me saying that.
The silent rage.
Here's how we really do it.
This is how we do it. It's looking rad. Rad is in radiating and radioactive.
Oh yeah, we gotta put the .0 there, or else it's like, dude, this is an integer. What am I supposed to do with this? It's like, well, figure it out, loser.
It says, what the heck? What the heck?
You idiot.
Yeah.
You dumb, stupid loser.
Whoa! Look, okay. Let's not say loser.
Just did.
Wow.
Loser.
Wow. 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 I am mad.
See, here's the problem. So, it's gonna look a lot brighter in the preview than it is in game. So, I have to account for that. That's not easy. Now, I'd kind of like it to be more like, I don't know. I know what I want. So
More epic, less not epic.
Here's what I want. So check this out. We're gonna move this up. Like that. And then, we're gonna do something really crazy. We're gonna take all these.
Really crazy?
And then, select them all. Yep. Now, we have to export it. That's why nothing changed. There was a slight change. Okay. So, you can see here, you got this sort of dark ridge at the top. We're getting somewhat close to what I'm after. And didn't export it again. frequently forget to do that. There
Don't.
we go. So you got that. That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about. Ew. New sound effect for the game. That's the sound of the shot, the gunshot.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. It's a... I need to clarify this constantly.
Like butter.
See, here we go. See, now we're getting... Here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. See, look at that. It's got sort of an outline to it.
Ooh. Ooh.
So that's getting somewhere. Now, if I wanted it to be on the tip there as well, then I would have to do like something like that. But I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. That's fine. It's a shot. And that's what matters sometimes.
That's what it's all about. It's like the hokey pokey.
Yeah, you know, it's kind of like that in a
It's
way.
exactly like that.
No, it's not.
It's literally 100% similar,
No.
and it's also just like it, and it's also totally similar.
Would you look at that?
Whoa.
There's like a weird artifact on my monitor where it's like trying to overcompensate for the stuff moving. So there's like a glowing like ripple on the bullets. It's weird. I wonder if I can set that. Pixel orbiting. What does that mean? Monitors are stupid.
Pixel orbiting. Aw, sleepy.
Yeah. That's common Zet occurrence. Sleep zone.
Just like me. Wow.
Yeah, I got inflicted with a sleep zone attack. I got inflicted with sleepy.
You got sent to the sleep zone.
I'm gonna send you to the
Smell
idiot zone.
True fans will remember the smell zone.
I remember it.
OG smell zone.
I remember the gaming.
Smell zone is a real odd thing.
Let's see here. We're gonna do something. Let's try doing the air slash. We're gonna do the air slash.
True gamers will remember the air slash.
I don't remember the air slash. What's the air slash?
It's a thing.
I wish it wasn't.
It's a type of character you type on your keyboard.
I need to set this to might need to rework this flash position because like this is clearly better than this, but kind of did idiot mode. It happens.
Sad.
But you know, it's okay. Let's just do that, and then doesn't have to be a particularly long-range slash. We're not trying to put it into all-range mode here. That's a Star Fox reference. Only people who have played Star Fox will understand anything.
It's Star Fox and that other game that's like Star Fox that came out. That's like the other Star Fox game. It's kind of like Star Fox that came out.
Which one?
EX something?
Zodiac.
Yeah, I think I have it, and I just haven't played it.
I played Star Fox, I get the Sonic reference. No, you don't. You don't get the Sonic reference.
Yeah, because they're both in Smash Brothers, so as long as you've played Star Fox, you get Sonic references.
It's true.
That's how references work.
It's true. This was a lot easier when I could just have the trail attached to the sword. And just follow it. Didn't have to do funny positioning dance. And it's a very short range. Not quite ideal. I think I want it more like that. And then, like, you know, sort of rotate it something like that. This is what game development's really all about. It's about doing tedious work and then being like, man, it'd be nice if there was a better way to do this. And then just being like, well, some other time I'll figure that out.
It's about something. It's about power.
It's about that time for my daily dose of Vine.
Uh,
I'm gonna beat
Don't.
beat what?
The
Super Mario
bird from Mega
Brothers.
Man. I like my answer better.
Yeah, well, I don't.
What game did Beat start in?
5.
5.
Really?
Yep.
Why does it feel like later? I don't know why Beat feels like a newer character.
Because he didn't matter.
Why did Mega Man need to get so many characters? It's starting to suffer from like a Sonic
I was
syndrome.
gonna
with,
mention
like,
Sonic, you
Vector
loser.
and Rouge and Vector and Knuckles and Tails. Tails is a bloat character. I shouldn't say bloat character and Sonic in the same sentence. That's a bad idea.
That's not smart.
I need to go shower after that. That was disgusting.
I don't know how to take that answer, John.
I'm disgusted.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw
You're too filthy. That's what he's saying.
up.
Ew. Yuck.
Yeah.
Oh,
Accidentally scroll wheeled my way into death.
You unlocked the secret.
So here's how you really do it. You just do this. No one has to be any the wiser that you're bad. Except the problem is no one's. It's not being shown from an orthogonal view. It's a perspective. So
Orthogonal. Oi.
I'd get owned if I just did it like this. Oh, idiot. There we go. It's a bit stupid. And I kind of hate it. It's not how a slash works.
No, it has to go slash. That's the Sword Familiar's favorite band. Band.
You're fired.
Yeah. I know, it's a tough market.
Top 10 markets.
Number 1, the Steam market. You can sell cards for 3 cents.
I also just sell all my Steam cards, honestly. I don't
Yeah.
ever look at them.
If you sell 2,000 cards, you can probably buy like an indie game.
If you sell about 40 cards, you can afford hentai puzzle.
Yes! My life's dream come true.
Now
It
we
sounded like you were in
overshot
a
it.
factory.
What?
It sounded like you were in a factory or something. Because, like, your mic kept going.
What?
It sounded like you were in a factory. Did anyone else hear those
It
noises?
sounded like I was in a factory because my mic kept going. That is the best
What's
sentence.
that whirring sound?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't either.
Is that a fan?
Can someone lend credence to anything he's saying right now? Like,
I don't know. I don't know.
Is this what too much sleep does to someone?
it's too much tuna.
Well, I haven't had that in months.
What, tuna or too much tuna?
Yes.
Yes.
That's my line. I just said it.
Yeah,
Your
but-
line is, yeah!
Yeah, that's your line.
Yeah, stick in your lane.
Kind of hate this. But if you collect the cards, you can get a coupon to hentai puzzle. Think about that. Well, you know, look, here's the thing. I get to effectively buy it for free, and someone else gets to buy it for a reduced cost. So It's a win-win, really. Everyone's winning. And I'm winning the
Everyone is
most, which is what matters.
Ew.
Well, you got
Sorry,
a
that
problem?
was rude of me. I meant to say ew. Sorry, what I meant to say was ew.
You got a problem? You got a problem,
Yes.
huh? You got a,
Yeah,
you got
I
a,
do. I
you got a,
do
you
actually.
got a problem? You got a, you got a problem?
I do actually. Yeah.
Okay, I have
I
a brilliant
do.
idea.
Oh, let's hear it and
So,
see it.
in the Sword Trail shader, I'm gonna add a new variable, new parameter. UV offset. So, here's what this is gonna do.
Yeah.
Check this out. Watch this. Check this out. Watch this. Check this out.
I'm checking it
Watch
out.
this. Check this out.
I'm letzing and I'm checking. In outing.
We're gonna do float. UV real.
Whoa. Real?
UVX real equals UV.x plus UV offset. See that? See that?
Yeah. That is cool.
Now we're in business.
Oh.
A little bit wonky.
A little bit splonky. A little bit chunky.
Some errors. But this will allow me to do some epic. So,
We do a little epic.
we do maybe like a I don't know how much this really helps me. I'm gonna be real.
A little bit, maybe. Possibly.
I don't think it actually helps me that much.
Aww. Aw.
Here we go. Here's what we do. See now. Now it's still horrible. So what did this really accomplish? Not a whole lot. However, funny gaming. See, this is why it's so tempting to just make games in 2D. Because, like, I don't have to worry about this mess in 2D. I just draw the thing and it looks good. But here it's like, oh, I gotta think of the positioning and the scale and the rotation. I gotta make the UV map. I gotta...
You gotta make a Yuffie map for Final Fantasy.
I gotta make, you know.
No, you don't. Now you don't.
Look. You oughta learn something. Alright? You understand.
The power of something. Maybe.
You need to understand. Because if you don't,
then the guys will stop you from spray painting.
yeah.
That's what happens.
Whoa! Wasn't that fun?
Yeah, I mean, that was, certainly was something.
It's a real hassle. I took forever to get the third slash looking fine-ish. First slash was so easy. Second slash wasn't too much of a problem. And the third slash and then this one, it's just like, ugh.
Ugh.
It's so frustrating.
It straights your thrusts. I don't...
What does that mean?
I don't know. I don't claim to be a, you know...
A what?
Something.
Look how funny this is. It's like...
I'm laughing. You hear how much I'm laughing about it? It's so funny.
Yeah.
Ugh, sorry, I'm just like out of breath from the laughter of it all.
I'm really just not sure how to handle this. And it's kind of annoying. Part of me thinks I should just go ahead and make a different mesh for splashes that end at this sort of angle. Because they're really difficult to do with just this.
Yeah. I think you need to take a rotoscope video of yourself doing these.
No. 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 No.
and then
No.
and then Mortal Kombat yourself into the game as an
No.
unlockable outfit.
That wouldn't solve the sword trail. That's the problem. It's the sword trail. I need to figure out how to make the sword
Attach
trail.
attach a ribbon to a pole.
No.
That's like a half joking suggestion. Like that might actually be
That
something.
could actually do something neat, but it wouldn't help a whole lot because look, here's the problem. This thing is a circle, and the slash arcs are not actually like a perfect circle. They're kind of stupid. They're a stupid circle. Do it. See this circle?
Yeah. Yeah. Wait. No. What the heck just happened to my Twitch? I randomly clicked something and it decided to take me off of your stream.
Hey, look.
That's annoying.
See, it's a circle.
Yes.
And if you do like that, then it's like circle. Do the circle zone. Now it's a perfect circle. It's like a donut. Question is, how do you make a donut into a good slash effect?
Philosophers have been asking this question since the Greek times.
The answer is you cheat.
Here's a good question for you and all the people who have fun in chat. How many holes does a donut have?
1.
No. John is not a topologist. He fails.
Actually, if you think about it, it has no holes because it's but actually it has a lot of holes because bread has holes. That's how bread works.
You know what?
Actually, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You know what? No.
Here's the thing. It depends on what you mean by a hole.
By hole, I mean like a hole.
Well, that doesn't really
Hole
narrow
what?
it down very well.
That's what we're trying to figure out, right?
How many holes does a straw have? Ooh.
5, because I just poked some holes in the straw.
In a straw?
Yeah.
You can do that. That's a thing you can do.
Does that
Unless it's not
count?
a metal.
Is that how many holes did you poke
Yeah,
in it
drill.
though?
I poked 5 holes in it.
So it has 5 once you've poked 5 holes in it.
Sure.
So you're saying a straw doesn't have a hole in it? That's correct.
Here's the problem with
No.
your
Funnies.
with the you know with the you know with you know
It's a what is a hole? And then you throw a wine glass. Yeah.
yeah. That's what I do. And then I say a miserable little pile of
Bobby.
holes. Plot twist.
It's holeception. Remember when everything was somethingception? Remember that? Like
Yeah.
3 years of time?
See, here's the real trick. You're gonna check this out. Your mind is gonna be blown into bits.
Oh, good. Then I can donate them on the stream.
No, you can't, because I'm not affiliate.
Oh. You're not even affiliate. Not even one affiliate.
Affiliate.
Yeah.
Check this out. So, you know, you know.
Do I? Yes,
You
that's
might.
the correct answer.
I don't know. Do you know? That's the correct answer.
It's the fart sound.
Zero affiliate. Affiliate versus zero affiliate. B affiliate.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I figured it out. So we're gonna do that, and then it's like that, and then yeah, see that?
Yeah.
It's like it's a bit shorter than the standing slash, but that's fine. That's fine. I just don't want it to be like a lot shorter, you know?
Yeah.
Now I have it. Now I have an adequate
An adequate.
slark. That stands for slash arc.
It sounds like a type of bird.
Your mom sounds like a type of bird.
Check on that tree. There's an adequate slark.
Sounds like a Xenoblade
Yeah,
unique monster.
sounds like a maverick. Adequate slark. Adequate slark.
You walk into the wilderness. You walk into the woods near your house, and
There's an adequate slark.
And you see you see apathetic Alfred, level 95. And you walk up, you go near him, and then all of a sudden you hear like
Oh no.
I think I'd be terrified.
or if you're
It's
playing,
fine as long as you don't walk through a door and then another door and then there's the
or
thing.
if you're playing Xenoblade X, instead it would be Alfred the Apathetic, and it would go like. Shouts to my boys who played Xenoblade X.
Yeah. That's when Dr. Light makes a new Xenoblade.
It's when Dr. Light makes your mom.
I hope not.
There we go. That's the air slash. That's in Marvel vs. Capcom 3 when he goes like air combo.
Yeah, when Iron Man does a 50-hit air combo and keeps you in the air forever, or you're just in hell. Have you seen like the stupid air combos that Iron Man can do in that game?
Nope.
Oh my god, it's dumb.
You know, he wanted to take you for a ride.
It's not even that one.
Well, it's in that one though. Just
That's
not
true.
not where it came from.
Fine.
So I win, you lose.
I win, you doze.
Okay, I gotta write down these parameters now. These parameters.
Yeah, parameters. It measures how para it is.
I gotta write down these pair of meters.
Thank goodness there's only 2 of them.
I wish. Like a lot of parameters I gotta write down.
That's true. Everyone does have stupid air combos in that game, but Iron Man's got a very accessible one.
Iron Man's got stupid. Yeah.
Pretty messed up to say.
It's true though. What are you gonna do about it?
Blow up.
Mills, are you gonna say the funny line?
No, I don't
Blow
think I
us
can.
up.
I don't think I have it in myself.
There you go. There you go.
I gotta get out of here and find Tails and Amy right away.
You only have 2 minutes before the island blows up. Explodes! Detonates! Combusts! Disassembles! Rapidly!
Oh, I almost forgot.
I'm interested in this.
Oh!
Thank you. I need to add that as Alucard says thank you. I need to add that.
And it says I'm interested in this?
No, but I need to add it to the sound
Oh.
thing.
You can use it too.
Need to insert a new column.
A new golem.
Hey,
I know, that's the Minecraft's job to not do, because they're lazy. The Minecraft.
that's the Minecraft's job. Real word said by K.
I love
Mills.
the post where it's like what's it called? It's the you know, the sweaty guy doing the speedrun thing.
Yeah.
And it's like Minecraft developers spending a year and a half to add 1 block and 1 mob. It sucks, man. It just, the Minecraft updates are so not even anything anymore. Meanwhile, mods like reinvent the whole game made by like 1 person.
I really gotta wonder what on earth is going on internally for the updates to be so.
A lot of lounging
Strange.
around, you know, eating snacks,
I
just
don't-
kind of chilling out in the
I
break
don't
room.
think that's actually the case though.
It's hard
here's-
not to think it.
Here's the thing. I am of the belief that Microsoft has been meddling with the game's development a lot more.
Oh,
Than
I'm
they'd
sure.
like-
I'm
they'd-
sure.
a
That's
lot more than they'd
definitely-
like to admit.
That's a non-zero possibility.
I'm sure the team at Mojang is like, you know, we could do like this and this and this, and that'd be neat. But Microsoft's like, yeah, but then we have to also do that in Bedrock, and
And then George Lucas is like, "Oh, what if Jar Jar came back in Minecraft?"
and Bedrock is not stable, despite the name.
No, I find Bedrock to be one of the funniest things ever. They still haven't fixed the bug where like it randomly loses track of how long you've been in the air and then makes you die from fall damage.
The only real use I have for Bedrock is that it renders the game at a very good pace. So it's
If you can't render it on Java, I mean, I have no problems with Java performance, but I
well,
have a good computer.
Java performance is a bit unstable. It's like the
I
frame.
guess.
I have a lot more issues with like frame pacing in Java. gonna do.
I use like Optifine and Sodium and stuff. So
yeah,
it's like, I
well,
don't know.
here's the thing. Here's the thing. I'm always playing with like a bajillion mods, so that influences it.
They don't work with Fabric or
My
anything
point
like
is,
that.
Bedrock is a really easy way. Just like pop it in, just be like, okay, is my monitor fast? Yes, it is. All right, I'm done playing Bedrock.
And I get that because it's one of those things that is just kind of a trend with gaming and stuff now, where it's like power users are just getting like screwed over all the time, and they're just idiot proofing everything and simplifying it so that any moron can run a thing correctly. It's like, yeah, but if I have the means to do it better, it's more of a pain now.
Yeah, like at this point, I'm like, you know what? I don't care if Modern Warfare 2 2022 is not running higher than 140. I just rather have it run at 144 than like a higher amount, and it struggled to run a higher amount. I'm kind of stuck on that. But then again, that's also just Activision and their PC ports, and they're stinky stupid.
That's the modern era of PC gaming in general.
500 gigabyte update.
Yes, 500 gigabyte update, and you'd better thank us that we released the game only 3/4 unfinished instead of 100% unfinished. That Redfall game looks really cool, and then it was apparently really not. I was kind of excited to play it.
Now for position, rotation, scale.
Botation.
All I gotta do is
Kale,
just
I don't know.
paste the value into the keyframe.
All right.
Pretty cool when you think about it. If you don't think about it, it's not very cool. But if you do think about it, pretty cool. I really gotta figure out a better workflow for doing this. This is gonna get obnoxious really fast. This one is 0.263. And then the width is 0.759. And then width modifier is 2.71. And then the UV offset is negative 0.025. And then angle of the blade is negative 0.671. You thought I was going to say angle of the dangle, didn't you?
I didn't think anything.
You did. You did think that. Don't lie to me.
No.
I know what you think. Alright, time to implement the air slash. Ooh.
You really think so, huh?
No.
Good. Better not.
So the air slash is going to be interesting because, see, the ground combo slashes, I can just make them their own state, which is really fine and easy. Because it's like, you're not supposed to move during these, you're not supposed to do anything during these except go to the next slash if you press the button. So that's fine. But the air slash, I need to be able to move during it. You know?
Yeah.
So how is that supposed to work?
Magic.
The answer is, it's supposed to work because I'm just the greatest at video game development, clearly.
Oh, that too.
As you can tell by me being tired and tired and tired and tired. But I'm not just tired, I'm also tired. So, you know, it's a whole thing. I had my work schedule updated.
You have like a watch, and part of it says work, and part of it says gaming.
Ooh. Alright. So here's here's a I suppose I can just, maybe it would just be easier to copy the air state. It probably would. I think I'm gonna do that.
I got the Mega Man X Corrupted song stuck in my head right now.
Yeah, well, I'm listening to Sonic R.
I hear it. I hear it. You're working it out.
Yeah. I'm thinking about it.
I should make some YTP MVs of the Mega Man X Corrupted. I'm pretty sure I'm the first person to ever do that. People still make those. Can you believe that? I'm so happy.
I can't believe it. So I'm just gonna copy the air code, and then I'm gonna remove stuff. Is that what I called the animation? I don't remember. It is. I need to update the air slash animation. I have to add 2 call method tracks.
Whoa.
So first, insert key, we're gonna do blade visibility. It's going to be set to true, and then it's going to be set to false. Then we're going to set blade trail. Made a bit of a mistake. I kind of forgot that you need to be able to form the thing while jumping. Oh, but that's going to cause issues. You'll see. You'll see how it's going to cause issues. I just tapped the jump button, but I did a full height jump. Because I did the slash. I think it's too low. I think it's too low of a slash. I'll deal with it later. Let's see. And just add. I know how I can do this.
How is that possible? I just got 2 Discord notification sounds and only 1 message. There's no way that's possible. There's no way.
What?
You don't have one on the soundboard, do you? Like,
I do not.
No.
I heard 2 distinct sounds. Oh, I have browser Discord open.
Oh.
Wow.
I have to because I have 2 accounts, but I don't like using the account switcher, and also I'm on a voice chat on this one, so... Fun fact, mobile Discord, still no account switcher, 8 months after promised to get it.
Yay.
I love how just completely depreciated and useless mobile Discord is. Like, it only gets worse with every update. Is it me, or is it bad? Like, it's bad, right?
Oh yeah, it's bad. At least you didn't open up the new beta that's hidden by some Easter egg for some reason.
Yeah, it's like a rotten egg.
Yeah.
You know, one of the worst things with mobile Discord, other than just it being a horrible bloat, like, it doesn't run very well app, and I've tested it on, like, BlueStacks using, like, my hardware, and it still runs like crap. Like, it just doesn't work very well. Half the time anymore when I try to take a picture, you know how, like, you can select from a picture or go to your camera when you go to, like, add a picture into a message.
Yeah.
Half the time, it'll just, like, crash Discord. Like, I'll take a picture, and then when it goes back to Discord, it goes back to the splash screen again. Like, it doesn't like to be multitasked out of randomly, which is fun. Also, video calls just stop working sometimes. It'll, like, my friend's camera will turn off, and it'll say unstable connection, even though I'm in the same room as, like, a 5G router, so that's a lie.
I can't really say much as an iPhone user, I'm sorry.
That's like when Nintendo's terrible netcode craps out in Splatoon 3, and then they say, "Uh-oh, your last disconnect was very suspicious. We have to soft ban you for 20 minutes." Like, yep, it was my fault, definitely. Definitely not your fault. Love that. You should have that in this game. If the game ever crashes and it boots back up, it locks you out of the game for half an hour saying, "Uh-oh, you did something. You did it." Soft ban from a single-player game. No saves coming.
Figured it out.
Whoa.
Can't seem to do a second slash in the air, which is bad.
Yeah. Hmm.
Like, theoretically, I should be able to do it, like, about this fast. But I can't even do it that fast. So what's up with that, game?
I don't know.
Let's do a funny print what state I'm in to the console. See what's going on. Print T. It's print tab. Puts a tab in between arguments. State machine dot state dot name and state machine dot time and state.
State machine and time and state. You can make a musical sing-along learning program. It's cool.
It's stuck. Oh, you know what I probably did? I messed up. You see, all these animation timings are twice as long as they should be.
Ew.
So, I get a little bit owned here. What are you doing? Go. Thank you. You know, to figure out what this should be, I need to do this is frame 4 times. Or rather, I should do 1/60 times 4. There we go.
I'm enjoying the keyboard ASMR. That's really good.
Yeah.
Stream can
Oh my
barely
goodness.
hear it.
It is
Kinda.
3:28. I should shower and eat something.
What are you gonna shower? Like some ham or?
No,
gonna
I
eat
should
it?
shower and eat something.
You're gonna
I'm not
shower
gonna
and
do-
eat something?
Wait. I'm not gonna do it all at once.
You gotta wash your bread. Ah. Make sure to use the No Tears shampoo on your bread. Trust me. I ate my bread and I cried.
Yes, sir.
I was calling someone the other day on browser Discord and I forgot I didn't like set up any of the mic settings, and they could pick up my like rapid 200 word per minute typing, and they're like, "What is that sound?" I'm like, "I'm typing."
Whew.
Yeah. I don't think so.
Look, pal, you need to understand something.
Yeah.
Like the number 2. Think about that.
Yeah.
Speaking of 2 hours, it's been 2 hours. Speaking of 2 hours, it's been 2. And, I
You.
am kind of tired. I think I'm gonna end the stream here.
Oh, okay.
Good
'Cause,
stream.
Yeah.
You know, it's just one of those things where some things just aren't very conducive to making a particularly entertaining stream. Especially when I'm so scatterbrained and just like, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, gotta collect yourself. You gotta go around the level and collect yourself.
Yeah. I need to collect all the Zets.
Self.
And then I need to go to bed to catch some Zets.
But it's Wednesday. You can't go to bed.
Well, maybe Thursday. Maybe Thursday I can sleep.
Oh God.
Anyway, thank you all for watching.
Peace out.
Remember
Uh-oh.
to
Uh-oh.
stay tuned for more gaming development in the future.
Oh.
And also remember to break